Hello, you're welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we just explain you customer care management. So we done this project in VB.NET, but you can do this project in C Sharp, Java, or in Android, and in many other languages. Customer care management. This project idea is useful for all computer science students who are learning VB.NET, C Sharp, Java, or Android. As far as your curriculum is concerned, you're supposed to do a mini project or a major project in any of these languages. In that case, this topic may be helpful for you. By watching this video, you can learn like how to make customer care management, or you can write yourself in any of these languages. So therefore, ultimately this video will help you to understand the concept customer care management. By doing this project, this will help you to gain language skills, domain skills, experience. So what is the language skills? So when you write a program in the particular language, you learn the language and you learn the skills of the particular language. Here we try to explain you VB.NET, how we have done it in VB.NET, some coding. And domain skill about the customer care, how customer care works. In this project, we basically take up for solar system, so solar service provider. That means they sell the solar water heaters. So for them, this project is done. So therefore, you understand like how this business works, how this solar water heater works. Then experience. By doing any project, you get an experience. So experience is very, very important in the IT industry. The more experience you are having, so the more valuable. Therefore, you just wait to get into the company to get experience. You can always sit in a room and then start doing the projects. You will keep on gain the experience. That experience really paid you. So once you join for the job, because we can start the work immediately once you have an experience. Therefore, don't waste your time. Keep practice, keep learn. Therefore, by that you can gain the experience. So work experience is very, very important. So now let me explain the design, how the whole project works. So what are the requirements? Here, as we discussed, this was a solar company. So solar water heater, they provide solar water heater to the customers. So company basically solar water heater company. So this is the solar. Okay, assume this is a company. So they supply solar water heaters. Solar water heaters to the company, sorry, customers. So here we can sell also because the company is selling this. So you're supposed to provide an option to sell to the customer. Sell. So once you sell the product to the customer, naturally there may be a problem. So they need to call back. So they need to register the problem. Register the problem. What is the problem? Customer maybe have the problem. So we need to register it. Therefore, we can enter into the system. So once you register the problem, so we can send the employee to solve this problem. So here in this project, so we are to manage all this, to sell the product. So we have a product details. Then you can have employee details. Then you are selling. Then you are registering the problem. So this is a solar company, solar water heater company. Company sells the solar water heaters to customers. Customer, if they have problem, they'll call you back and they'll tell you what is the problem. If there is a problem, then employee has to go and then they has to solve the problem, right? So therefore, we can create employees, we can create the product, and we can sell the product to the customer. So these are the main options should be there in this particular project. Software requirement, what are the softwares are required? Because we done in VB.NET, the language is VB.NET, backend is SQL Server. Now let us see what are the forms we designed. So in this particular project. So here you can see that we have around 12, 15, 16 forms are there. Here area names, what are the areas comes under that particular locations. That we can register area names. Complaint form, because it's in alphabetical order. So complaint form here in the second one, but it comes at the end actually in the project. Complaint report, what are the complaints are there, that report. Customer form, the customer who buy the solar system. Designation form for the employee, This is the employee detail form, employee list. Who are the employees we enter, that list has to come in the this particular form. Flash screen, so there is a welcome screen or to show the project, what project it is, that is a flash screen. Login form to log into the project. MDA form, MDA stands for multiple document interface. So here we have a menu and then we can navigate to the rest of the forms via this particular form. Module basically for to declare global variable functions or procedures. Order details, once the customer places an order, that will enter it in the order detail form. Order schedule form, so when you would like to schedule that, when you would like to deliver the product. Schedule report, so that report has to come. Product form, so this is about the product. Qualification for the employee, so what are the qualifications you can enter? This and this, so therefore when you enter in the employee, we link to the employee form, so therefore we can select one from the list. So these are the forms. So naturally you need to plan this way, and in each form, so you can have multiple fields. That and all we need to know what field should come in each form. That I'll demonstrate in the project. So you need to write down all these things and then you try this project yourself. Right, so database tables, we are using Microsoft SQL Server as a backend. So here I'll show you what are the tables we are using. So in each form we are entering the data has to come to the tables. Therefore here we are using all these tables: area table, complaint table, customer table, destination table, employee table, login table, order assign, order, product, qualifications. The number of forms what I've seen, so each form will send the data, the corresponding data has to come to these tables. So therefore, these are tables which are using in this project. Project demo, now I'll demonstrate the project for you. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel. So this is the free actually. So just click on the subscribe button, so it will be subscribed. And please share these videos with your friends and family members. So we're studying any computer course, even in high school. So people want to learn different languages. So we have many languages tutorials, so therefore they can get the benefit from our channel. So we request to share this and also like the like button. And you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Are you looking something different projects? So let me know that. Fine. So let us continue with the demonstration. So here is I'm using Visual Basic 2019. So you can say this is a Visual Studio. It's a community edition. In case if you don't have Visual Studio, you can always download from the Microsoft website. So just go to Visual Studio 2019. Right. So here you can see that there is a free Visual Studio. Click here, and you have Visual Studio Community. You can download here and then install to your system. Right. Fine, so let me come back. So these are also community editions. So free edition. So Visual Studio Community 2019. Right, so now you can see that this is the Solution Explorer. Sorry. Right, so these are the forms which are using in the project. And if you come to Server Explorer, we are linked the database here, customer care data, and these are the tables in the customer care data. Right, so you want to see any of the data, so right click here and then go to show table data. You can able to see the data. What data is already there, that we can able to see it here. Fine, so let me run the project for you. So click start button. I can see that customer care, it's multiple times it's showing. This can be solved. So just you have to go to flash screen. I don't want to show it again and again. So therefore what you can do is, so there is a property called as okay, so okay, so here is a background image layout. Tile is there, so tile is repeating. Okay, so we don't want to repeat, let it be at center. So once it says center, it should come at center only. So okay, fine, it comes center. We can make a different image, attractive image. So I'm just pretty simple one, but when you're doing, maybe you can take care to design the nice picture. So as admin, and you can change the background color very easily. So admin, if I put the wrong password, so it'll give the message box. Okay, so you'll go compare with the table. So whether what you entered is matching or not. If not matching, definitely it'll give the message. So that is what it is done here, and click OK. We have a tutorial for login page also. So check out in the description and watch that video. You can learn yourself like how to create the login page. Fine. So here is an MDA form, and here is the master entries, main entries, area names. So what are the areas we are serving? So let's say I'm in Bangalore, and I say Vijayanagar. So in Vijayanagar, what are the areas we are covering? Hampi Nagar. So you can write down all the list. What are the areas that comes under this particular main area? And in case if you don't want some data, like no, there is some dummy data here, we don't want. On clicking that, you can see that modify button, delete button, both are enabled. After enabling it, so if you don't want to click delete button, so it says, do you want to delete? Yes, that is deleted. And this is the data grid view. This is the data grid view. Fine. Next one, qualification details. So here you can enter all the qualifications. What are the common qualifications your employees having? So that you have to enter it here. So I'm having SSLC at standard. Next, designation. So there is a serviceman here, and you can have a manager. So therefore there is one manager, right? So manager to lead the team. Fine. So click save button. So it will be saved. So that's about the designation. Then customer details. So here are the customers who are all your customers. You want to give a customer mobile number here, you can give the customer mobile number, or you want to give the number, you can give the number. So what is the customer name? So Maroon. Then what is the address? So number, second main, say Rajinagar, Bangalore. Sorry, Bangalore. Okay. So pin code 560010. So then mobile number. So this is 9012341234. So then so some maroon@gmail.com. Save the button. So here is the insert statement. Probably you don't require this in case when you're demonstrating the project. So that is easily you can remove this. There is a message box. If you remove the message box, this message won't come. But this will give a clear idea how insert statement works. Here you can see insert into customer table. That is a table name. So these are the column names, and these are the corresponding values. So if something wrong, then we can verify from this. Fine. So the entry is done. Next, we go to the product details. Here you can enter the product. What are the products you are having? Solar heater model. So what are the model number? So you can see that M101 is the model name. What is the full name? Sun Solar M101. Price, so it costs around 25,000 rupees. Specifications is a ton tube, 100 liter, and all the other things. Warranty, so it covers a warranty of 5 years. Capacity is 100 liters. Accessory lit, what are the accessories you provide? So you provide pipe and water gauge and any other things you need to write down. So this is about one particular model. Likewise, you need to enter all the models what you are going to sell. So you don't have any idea like what is this solar heater. You just have to go to Google and then search it out, solar water heater. So you can just go to price and then you'll get a lot of solar water heaters. Fine. So you can see that here is a one. Otherwise, we can go to any of the companies. Okay, so there is a Supreme Solar here. So we need to read more about the thing and what is this each individual model is. And you can take the photos also. And here is a description actually. So on the what is the pricing, all we'll get it actually. So therefore this is a domain knowledge. So that is what you are supposed to gain. So from that you can enter multiple products. Then employee details, employees who are working in your company. So that details we can enter it here. So to click new and then complete the details. So this is 12,000 rupees. Yes. Next is the order detail. When customer gives an order, okay. So order number comes automatically. This is auto increment. And here is the order date. And here is a customer name. So we given as 1234. Then the customer details comes automatically here. And belongs to which area. So that area. And what model they are interested. They are interested M001. Other detail. So install within this week. Right. So that is the details we are taken. That means we want to sell this product to this particular customer. Then schedule. So when this has to be installed. So therefore we need to install that one 1002. The detail comes. So you need to install this week. So assign to. So whom you are assigning? We are assigning to Arisham. And along with that we are giving some assistant to that. the more assistants are required, we can allocate the assistant to that. Save, that is done. The scheduling is done. So if there are complaints, so customer can raise the complaints. They can call. So filed by customer, which is the customer filed actually. So this is the customer 1234. So address where it is, that you have to write down. Right. So area name, which area it is. So Rajanagar. Product, what is the product? So what is the complaint? So there is a leakage. Okay. So water leakage from tank. So save. So this is the problem now. So problem is registered in a system. So this is to assign to one employee, and the employee has to go and then rectify the problem. So here we have a report. So list of employees, who are all the employees we are having. So that list will come here. Then we have a complaint. So what are the complaint registered? That list will come in this window. Right. So next one, we have a order scheduling. So when is the order scheduled? So that list will come. Sorry. So the listing will be there here. So these are things which is done in this project. So as we told already, you try this project and you want to improve this really good. At least this much if you've done, it's great. So what do you think? Please write it in the comment box. Therefore we know like what you're thinking about it. So please subscribe to our channel. So you just go to YouTube, search for iBlix tutorials. So you can see that you'll get a complete list of our projects and all the videos. So watch the videos, which video you're interested in, and click on subscribe button. So therefore you'll, if you do the subscription is free actually, so you don't need to pay anything. So once you subscribe, next time when you open the video, so new videos will automatically shown in the main page. So when you click your main page, when you go to the videos, it'll show somewhere. Okay. Great. So in case you wish to buy this project, please contact us. And thank you very much for watching this video. We only request you share this video with your friends and family members. Therefore, so who are needy, they can get the benefit of it. Thank you.